William W. Meyer & Sons is the industry leader in insulation blowing and removal equipment. Since the 1930s, when we introduced the first wooden hopper insulation blower, 3 generations of Meyer family have recognized the importance, value, and energy savings of quality residential and commercial insulation systems. That's why our innovative designs offer both the new and seasoned contractor the ultimate in efficiency, production, and coverage. We'd like to take this opportunity to introduce you to the Meyer 400E electric insulation blowing machine. The 400E is the most powerful insulation machine on the market. No more wimpy electric units that take hours to finish the job. Our 400E features great performance with simultaneous material and air control. The 400E features a unitized modular structural body with powder-coated finish. The unique design uses a multiple 115 volt or 230 volt 15 amp power supply. With a wireless remote, it allows you to switch from air, material, and an air boost with the touch of a finger. This flexibility makes the 400E ideal for applications like sidewalls and open blow. The 400E is perfectly suited to handle cellulose, fiberglass, and rock wool. This unit features an easy operator control with a variable speed blower and feeder, which gives optimal material conditioning and coverage. The operator is in complete control with a pause button to stop the hopper when a foreign object like a bag is dropped in the hopper. The 400E has easy portability with its 4 industrial wheels for all terrains and difficult locations. Meyer is dedicated to safety. Always wear long sleeve shirts, respirators, and safety glasses. Also, please read and become familiar with your 400E operational manual. First, connect the 3-inch hose to your machine. The hose slides easily over the pipe and is secured with an adjustable hose clamp. When adding additional hose, the procedure is repeated by inserting a sleeve into each end of the hose and an adjustable hose clamp on each section. In the back of the 400E machine is a 4 cubic foot storage compartment. There you will find the owner's manual, power cords, and the attic operator's RF remote that will be used to operate the machine from the attic. Take the 3 electrical cords out of the storage cabinet from the back of the 400E. Located in the front of the machine are 3 power input receptacles, labeled air, material, and air boost. Connect by pushing each plug into the receptacle and a small twist to tighten them. Find 3 separate outlets. Each cord needs to be on a fully dedicated 15 amp circuit to operate the 400E. Verify that the E-stop or emergency stop is pulled out. The 400E will not start if the stop is pushed in. You are now ready to turn on the 400E. Push the button marked power and the green light will come on to indicate that the machine is powered up and ready to run. At this time, familiarize yourself with all the controls on the 400E. Both the blower speed and hopper speed should be on high. The RPM indicator will read 60 RPM when the hopper is on high. Before loading the hopper, adjust the gate to half open. This will allow the flexibility of opening or closing the gate to modify material conditioning. This adjustment is key, as insulation performance depends on the principle of trapped air between the fibers. Over-conditioning will result in poor coverage and more insulation for the job. Please check with the material manufacturer for the expected coverage. You are now ready to load the hopper. Using a razor knife, carefully score the bags and put the bale on top of the 400E. Separate the material by hand and push it through the breaker bars. The shredder will condition the material. The second operator should inspect the space for proper venting and take precautions to keep insulation from heat sources like furnace flues and recessed lighting. You should then install measurement indicator strips at various points, allowing easy verification of proper installation of the insulation so to reach the manufacturer's suggested R factor. Your insulation distributor has many devices to guide you in the process. With the simple push of a button, you're blowing insulation. Most start at the furthest point and work backwards to the access hole. The 400E is very powerful. By using the air boost, you can stand at one spot and reach up to 15 feet. When blowing in a confined area, turn off the boost and use the air control to ensure complete coverage. As you complete a section, you can easily turn off the material button and then the air, and then reposition yourself. To start up again, push the air button and then the material button, and you are blowing again. When finished, the Meyer 400E makes getting off the job quick and easy. Simply turn off the material and then the air, push the power button once, and the green light will go off. You are then ready to disconnect the hose and load the 400E on the truck for the next job. Of course, these are only some of the many features of the 400E. Also, please check out our other videos for insulation removal with the VersaVac 18 horsepower vacuum and insulation blowing with the 551 gas-powered insulation blowing machine. At Meyer, we are dedicated to sound engineering design, machines with powerful on-job performance, and a personal regard for our customers. Call us at 1-800-797-8227 or 847-918-0111 to see an on-site demo or for more information about our professional products.